Look out the window, what do I see? A couple yachts, I got some thoughts that track the 7 seas. Got CCs and Louis V's out of every season. Corner me please, 4Gs, make them stop breathing. Must've just sent the new Ferrari, I just might copy one. They can't be rich, they just trying to make a carbon copy of them. Counting up the snow money, every single damn home. I ain't worried about what they be on. You do what you can, I live a lifestyle on the daily homes. Braces on my right wrist, I got 80 on, my fragrance strong. My bitch on top with tape in, she don't ride it with no lace on. The lean port, the ace gone, the double R, the gray stone. The inside blueberry and the outside is 8. Look out the window, what do I see? A couple yachts, I got some thoughts that track the 7 seas. Got CCs and Louis V's out of every season. Corner me please, 4Gs, make them stop breathing. It's hard to stomach that. I'm out running laps and I ain't coming back. Maybach jumping like a jumping jack. Off the mumble rap, where Roddy at? I be chasing chicken, had to cut the fat. Only wear it one time, did a show, forgot to cut the tag. Another day, another seal, another deal, another bag. Was 19, charting up the jets, I'm in another class. Niggas couldn't even tell I was out getting cash. Graduated from the streets, I ain't gotta bring up my out the window. What do I see? A couple yachts, I got some thoughts that track the 7 seas. Got CCs and Louis V's out of every season. Corner me please, 4Gs, make them stop breathing. Look out the window, what do I see? A couple yachts, I got some thoughts that track the 7 seas. Got CCs and Louis V's out of every season. Corner me please, 4Gs, make them stop breathing.
Chills made it. Very funny. Steady on my jet, I chase her 247 me, I need this paper. Okay. Say man, I know they fake on me, I feel so man, I see you later. Yeah. How much money if you don't cater for your mama when you don't get paper? Devotion, yeah. It's the only way from it. I can learn. But the only way me multiply you. You got me moving patient, so we know the equation. Me, I just want to clear that out. I can grind. But the only way me multiply you. You got me moving patient, so we know the equation. Me, I just want to clear that out. Mama, you're so hard, what's the job now? Nothing to do when it's time to talk. You can say, man, look at us now. Bros, you said, know what's up now. Mama, you're so hard, what's the job now? Nothing to do when it's time to talk. You can say, man, look at us now. Bros, you said, know what's up.
Morning guys. So this is gold that I'm busy analyzing here, guys. This is gold that I'm busy looking at here. We are in profits with gold. I bought gold on Thursday. I was in profits on Thursday already. It still hasn't hit my TP2. My TP2 is here. This is a daily time frame. When I go down to my H4 time frame, I can see what's going on. So what I want price to do now, I want price to come up until this point. So there's my TP2 over here, guys. What we see over here is an inverted head and shoulder pattern that formed over here. You can see your left shoulder, there's your head, there's your right shoulder. So I managed to buy here on Thursday, guys. So I'm moving up with the market. I am in profits in gold. So there's my first buys. That's where I first entered. Here I was just testing out the market. I don't have a lot of buys, but here I have a whole lot. But from here, it's on support now. On Monday, it's going to start going up again. On Monday, it's going to start going up again. This is gold. So is there any people trading gold out there? Is there anyone on this live who's a gold trader? Let me know in the comments. Do you trade, or do you trade gold, or what pairs do you trade?
So guys, I'm analyzing gold here, guys. I'm going to show you guys when I sent out this signal on Thursday. So guys, just smash the like button. Smash the like button. I'm going to flip through my private channel so you guys can see the results. I want to show you guys results as well, you see. So I'm going to flip through my private channel. All I need you guys to do is just smash the like button. Just smash the like button for me, guys. Let's get today started, guys. It's Saturday today. It's the great time to analyze the market. On the weekend, it's an awesome time to analyze the market because you get to see what's going to happen during the week. So just smash that like button for me and let's analyze gold. So is there any people who trade gold out there? Is there any people who trade gold out there? Because I'm going to plug you guys now. Because on Monday, I'm going to show you guys exactly what's going to be going on. Guys, let me show you first when I sent out this signal. Let me first show you guys results before we even get started. Let me show. Oh, here's a guy who trades gold. Please. Okay, guys, let me show you guys the results when I sent out the signal. I'm going to flip through my private signal group. This is my private signal group, guys. Prince Wealth. You see the slogan there? Forever blue. Meaning I'm always in profits, guys. Look at this. So on Thursday, I sent out a scalp. Here's the time. I sent out a buy signal. Here's the date. On the 21st, I sent out a buy signal. I sent out the SL and everything. We were scalping gold. So it shot up into profits. I collected some profits. And I told them lock profits afterwards, you see. So we got some profits here on Thursday. I told them if it comes back down and takes us out, we're going to get a better entry on gold. Because I knew there was news at 2:30 on Thursday. There was news at 2:30 that I had to watch out for. You can see the time here. The time I was trading, it was at 12. So gold took us out here. You see, we locked profits and it took us out. So I sent out another signal now after news, after the high impact news at 2:30. I said buy gold. I told them we're going to look for a better entry point, and that's exactly what I did. So here it was at 2:30 when I sent out a signal of buy gold. You see, buy gold. So I gave them the TPs and the SL, and gold went flying afterwards. It went into profit. So on Friday morning, this is what you see. So we bought gold over here and it went flying. I told them after we break this resistance, it's going to come back down and retest and then go up. This is what I sent on Friday, guys. This is what I sent on Friday. And look at this. I sent it on Friday at this time, you see. Basically at 7:30. And then at 8 p.m. Now this is during the day now. You can see it broke now that resistance that I was talking about. You see, it broke that resistance I was talking about. And then it came back down to retest. So what I'm looking for now, on Monday, I'm looking for the market to come down to this support area. Then I'm going to look for a buy entry all the way up again. I have my buys over here. I have some buys over here. I was just playing around over here because I know the market is going to come up. On Monday, it's going to come up, guys. So let's analyze the chart. So now I just showed you guys the results. Look at this. This is my MT5. So you can see here's my first layer of buys over here. I had a sharp entry of buys, you see. So over here now, market is on support area. From here, it's going to go up again. It's going to go up again. So these things will be in profits on Monday when the market goes up again. because my TP2 is over here. I already hit my TP1 over here. I'm holding some trades because I'm swinging it all the way till this point, and once we're on this point, I'm going to look for sales, guys. So I showed you guys now the results that I sent out on Thursday, you see. So now I'm going to show you guys what there's an inverted head and shoulder. It's not just a head and shoulder, it's an inverted head and shoulder that's busy forming over there. It has formed and it is finished. That's why I was able to catch that trade. Let me show you that inverted head and shoulder pattern. It's an inverted head and shoulder pattern, which you can see your left shoulder over here. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head, and then here's your right shoulder. That's where I managed to capture this buy. I got a sharp entry over here. I'm in deep profits, guys. And then on Monday, I'm going to catch another buy entry over here, because now look what happened here, guys. Look what happened here. When we zoom in here, we can see there was a support area here. You can see price broke through that resistance area. That resistance area that I was talking about, it broke through that resistance area. So what price is doing right now? I'm going to flip through the lower time frame. This is H4. I'm going to go now to H1 time frame. Here we are on H1 time frame. So what do I see on H1 time frame? I can see there's that support area here. Actually, price is on support area. Let me show you guys. You see? So when you look left, you can see there's your support area. It was support, it was resistance over here, and here it's also support. So from here, you can expect price to come back up. From here, you can expect price to come back up on Monday. You'll see what's going to happen Monday, guys. This is gold that we're trading over here. I'm going to show you guys what I'm expecting on Monday. So this is what I'm looking at Monday, guys. I'm going to go, this is H4 time frame. I'm going down to H1 again. Going down to H1 again. So my stop loss obviously will be below my previous low, right? So it will be like, how much? 50 pips away? No. Like 30 pips away, but it's fine. Just to be safe. So market might come back down again. Might open up with a gap even. Come down to this area. Just retest this area before it comes up. But one thing that you can expect is market is going to come up on Monday. And then it's going to hit my TP2. My TP2 is over here, guys. My TP1 was over here. I already hit my TP1. I hit my TP1 on Thursday. And then market was playing on Friday. And now on Monday, it's going to come back up to this point, guys. This is what I'm looking at for Monday. What's your target TP? My TPs are always sent to my signal group, guys. Look at this. I send out everything to my signal group. So before we even caught this trade over here, I sent out the signal and the TP1 and my TP2. I'm going to show you now. Here's the signal. So the signal was sent on the 21st, which was on Thursday. Buy gold. SL, TP1, TP2. I already hit TP1, so you can check that. Here's my TP2. This is what I'm waiting for. Gold started flying, so we were in profits. This is now Friday. So we bought it right over here, and it's flying into profits. My TP1 was somewhere over here. So this was Friday morning, when we were still holding for TP1. And then at 10 p.m. we hit TP1. Can you see? So the next day at 10 p.m., you see, there's the date. The next day at 10 p.m., we hit TP1. You see, our TP1 was set at 1927. So we hit TP1. So now what I'm waiting for is to hit TP2. But on our way on to hitting TP2, we're going to get another entry point. We're going to get another entry point, you see. So after we hit TP1, I sent out another plan. I told them, guys, this is my other plan for the trade, guys. But it was now late already. It was late already. You can see it was 8 on Friday. I can't be trading so late. The market is going to close. So I told the guys, we're going to carry on Monday. I told the guys we're going to carry on Monday. So guys, just be patient. We're going to get a great entry on Monday. And then we're going to move up with the market to our TP2, guys. To our TP2. So guys, if you want to be part of that signal group and you want to catch this signal with me on Monday, here is the number you can WhatsApp. I'm going to show you guys the number you can WhatsApp. You can WhatsApp me on that number and be part of the winning team, guys. Be part of the winning team. So this is my daily, I'm on my daily time frame now. What I see for the long term for gold, right? I see gold coming down because gold is on a downtrend. Let me show you now. So right now we're busy scalping gold up. This is a daily time frame. We're just getting a scalp on gold, but the long term trade on gold is gonna come down, guys. Gold is gonna come down, guys. Gold is on a downtrend. This is, you can see it. This is on a daily time frame. This is a daily time frame. So I'm expecting gold at least long term wise, not now short term. Right now we're busy buying gold, but you're gonna see it will change direction. It will change direction and come down again. So that trade I also have to make sure I catch, because price has to come down to the support area over here. You can see price is on a downward channel over here. It's making lower lows. It's making lower lows and lower highs. You can see this high point is not higher than this point over here. So this is a lower high. Can you see? So after this lower high, price came down again, making another lower low, because you can see this low is lower than this point, and then it made a lower high, which is, it came back. Guys, you must read the market. You must read the market. You see, it made now a lower high because this point over here, this high point over here is not higher than the previous high. So it made a lower high. Then it came down again to make a lower low. So right now, price is now against the trend line over here. It's against the downward trend line. So right now, when we move down to our lower time frame, we can see what's going on. Wait, let me show you here first. Over here, guys, let me show you. Where's my mouse? Here's it here. Over here, guys, we have a resistance area over here. You can see it. I marked it out. We have a resistance area over here. Price is busy rejecting when it comes up to this point. It's resisting. Can you see? So now, here's your first rejection. Here's your second rejection. And here's your third rejection that happened. This is what's going on at the moment. This is what's going on at the moment. I want to zoom in here so we can check out the market and read it properly. Guys, because you need to understand the market before you place these trades. These trades can't be placed anywhere. You have to know exactly where you're placing these trades. So what we see over here, we can see there's that resistance area. I'm still on the daily time frame. I'm analyzing and breaking it down from the daily time frame down to our lower time frames. So what I can see over here, here's our resistance area. Here's our first rejection, second rejection, and then on third rejection, it even left a wick over here. You see, it even left a big wick over here against now the trend line, against that downward trend line. And you can see now it was making a higher high at this point and a lower high, lower low. and then a lower high because this point over here is not higher than this point, which now is giving you signs that okay, we will be coming down at a certain point. But right here it gave us now an inverted head and shoulder pattern. That's when I caught now this buy here. I'm in a buy here. Where's my TP? My TP is over here. My TP is over here. Once I hit TP over here, I'll be planning my next trade. You see, I first plan it and then I execute on my trade, guys. So when I go down to the lower time frames, this is what we see. This is a H4 time frame. H4 time frame, you can see there's the inverted head and shoulder. There's your left shoulder, there's your head. So we managed to catch a buy over here. So we're in profits. Price now broke this resistance area over here. It's above now the resistance area. So what can I expect on Monday? On Monday, I can expect gold to come back down to retest now broken resistance, which is now your support area. So once price comes down over here, I'm going to catch a buy and then I'm going to send it to my signal group. The guys in my signal group are going to be able to catch this trade. So I'm going to move up with gold all the way till here to my TP2. Once I hit TP2, then I'll be planning the next trade. And that will be sent to my signal group. Because now I'm showing you guys gold is on a downtrend. So once it hits over here, obviously, I'm going to wait for confirmation. And then I'm going to plan my next trade, which is I'm going to come down with gold. Because gold is on a downtrend, guys. Gold is on a downtrend, as you can see on the higher time frame. You see, so now I broke gold down for you guys. I hope you guys understand. So now, if you guys want to be part of that signal group, you guys want to be able to catch this trade with me, there's the number to WhatsApp. You guys need to WhatsApp me on that number. That's my WhatsApp number. As soon as you WhatsApp me on that number, my assistant will be there to talk to you and help you out. So do you guys understand exactly what I'm trying to say here, or what I'm trying to explain? Hit the like button, tell me you understand. If you don't understand, ask me questions and then I'll help you out. I just explained gold now. Is there any questions, or do you guys understand? Do you guys understand what I just explained? If you understand, just say understand or something. Let me know you guys understand. Or let me know if you don't understand, then I'll help you out. But if you guys want to be part of that signal group, if you guys want to be part of the winning team, guys, there's the number to WhatsApp. You need to WhatsApp me on that number. Understand. There we go. At least someone understands. So now you're going to see this thing unfold on Monday. On Monday, you're going to see it happen. This is a H4 time frame. What market are you on? This is gold. This is gold, guys. This is gold that I'm trading over here. The market is closed now. I'm busy analyzing gold. But we did buy gold over here on Monday. On Thursday, I sent out a buy signal over here. Reason why? I saw an inverted head and shoulder pattern. What's your TP target? My TP targets I always send to my signal group, guys. This is my private signal group over here. So on the 21st, which was on Thursday, I sent out this buy entry over here. 21st, I sent out this buy signal over here. There at 2, buy gold SL. There's my TP1. I'm done with TP1. So there's my TP2. That's what I'm waiting on right now. So this was on Friday, after we caught that beautiful entry over here. So now I told them after we break resistance, it's going to come back down. So this retest was what I was waiting for. And then I'll buy over here to my TP2. So here it broke down that resistance area. I'm waiting for gold to come down to this point and then I'll buy it all the way up. So that's what we're going to do on Monday, guys. On Monday, that's what I'm on. I'm busy with those buys. So guys, if you want to be part of that signal group, guys, you want to be part of that winning team, there's the number to WhatsApp. You need to WhatsApp me on that number, guys. Invest in yourself and join, guys. Trust me. What's your TP target? I hope you saw my TP target, because I flipped through my Signal group now and I showed you. I always send it to my Signal group, guys. We already hit TP1. We already hit TP1. What we're waiting for now, we want to hit TP2. We want to hit that TP2, guys. How much is it to join? It's very affordable to join. It's 500 Rand to join the Signal group for 2 months of quality signals. So you'll be in that Signal group for 2 months for only 500 Rand. Basically, you'll make your money back within the first day, because we caught this beautiful entry over here and we managed to hit TP1. This is H4 time frame, guys. You can imagine how it moved from here all the way there, and we hit TP1. So what we're doing now, we're waiting on our second entry on Monday. On Monday, we're going to catch our second entry to our TP2. Our TP2 is somewhere over here. And once we hit that TP2, guys, I'm sending out the next signal. I'm sending out that next signal once we hit that TP2, because I already see how the market is going. I analyze the market from the higher time frame down to its lower time frame, so I understand exactly what's going on with gold. I'll be planning out my next signal. After that buy, I'll be planning out my next signal, and I'll be swinging gold all the way down, because now you'll be seeing a left shoulder, a head, and then we'll be forming a right shoulder over here. Once we form that right shoulder, we're coming all the way down with gold, guys. We'll be swinging gold. We'll be swinging gold. So guys, don't miss out, guys. Don't miss out. If you want to be part of that winning team, there's the number to WhatsApp. WhatsApp me on that number. WhatsApp me on that number, guys. What time frame is that, right? So this is H4 time frame. Is that right? For a good entry. You can go on H1 for a good entry. H1 for a good entry. Because you can see it properly here on H1. You can see there's your support. Wait, where's my mouse? Is it here? There's your support. There's your resistance. There's your support. So it's busy rejecting now. You see? So, but on Monday, it might open up with a gap. Might just play a little. But I'm going to look for a buy over here, because it is on support already. You can see it's rejecting. There's the wicks over there. So, market is just going to shoot up from this point, retest, and go all the way up to my TP2. So, if you want to look for a good entry, you can check on H1. On H1. Here's my M5. Here's my entry points, my first entry points, my layer of first entry. I hit TP1 and then I put some other trades over here, but I'm gonna catch a proper entry on Monday. On Monday, I'm gonna place some more buys over here, and then it's gonna shoot up to my TP2. So that's what I see, guys. That's what I see. I'm plugging you guys. I'm putting you guys on. I'm putting you guys on. So all you need to do, guys, hit that like button. Hit that like button. If you're liking what I'm sharing, you liking the content, guys, you're gonna be on Profits Monday. If you're listening to me, guys, you'll be on Profits Monday. Trust me. You'll catch that trade with me. So guys, if you want to be part of that Signal group, all you need to do is just WhatsApp me on that number. WhatsApp me on that number and speak to my assistant and join the Signal group, guys. Join the Signal group. Make sure you invest in yourself and join the Signal group. To join the Signal group, it's very affordable, guys. It's only 500 Rand to join the Signal group for 2 months of quality signals. You'll be in that Signal group for 2 months, guys, just for 500 Rand. So on Monday, we'll be able to catch this trade over here, and we're gonna buy it all the way to our TP2. So guys, I plugged you guys. I hope you understand what's going on. I hope you guys are ready for Monday, because it's gonna be a very profitable day on Monday. We're gonna have a blue Monday. You know what's a blue Monday? Join the Signal group. I'll show you guys. Blue Monday, I'm telling you. Let's check the calendar. Let's see what's going on with gold. Let's see what's going on with gold on Monday. On Monday, okay, there's no news on for the USD, so that's good. On Tuesday, okay, on Tuesday 4 p.m. we have high impact news on the USD, so we have to keep that in mind, guys. We have to also keep that in mind. Going all the way up to our TP2, which is over here on Monday, guys. So guys, if you want to be part of that Signal group, once again, guys, I'm gonna leave now. I'm gonna leave the live. So guys, take down that number if you want to be part of the Signal group. WhatsApp me on that number, and then my assistant will be there and helping you out. Alright guys, I'm going to join you guys a bit later again, or might I join you guys Sunday, guys. I'm just going to relax this weekend and just enjoy myself, guys. I made a big withdrawal, so I'm just going to make sure I enjoy that. So guys, see you guys later. If you join with 500 Rand, you can have, it's up to you, you can have like an account of like a 500, 800 to 1,000 Rand, because now you're obviously trying now to grow the account and make money. So guys, I advise you guys to fund your accounts like 1,000 Rand, 15 or 800 Rand, and grow that account. Don't fund a big amount, because now you're trying to make money out of the market. You're not trying to put a whole lot of money into the market. You're trying to make a whole lot of money out of the market. So be smart with it, guys. Be smart with it as well. Make sure you're smart with it. When you're funding your accounts, don't fund a lot of money, guys. When you're in my Signal group, don't fund a whole lot of money. I want you guys to fund, it's up to you how much you want to fund. But I want you guys, maybe if you're planning to fund maybe a 50k, don't fund that 50k, fund maybe a 10k out of that 15k. Be smart with it, you see? Be smart with it, because now you're trying to make money out of the market. You're not trying to put in a whole lot of money into the market, you see? Because once that account grows and that account is big, now that account is like worth that 50k that you were about to put in. So that's better. That's better. You see, now you're working with their money. You're just trading, making profits consistently. Now you're working with the broker's money. You're done withdrawing your money. You see, that's what I want for you guys. That's what I want. That's what trading is about. Which broker do you prefer using? I prefer using maybe XM. XM is good because XM always pays me. Whenever I withdraw, they pay me. They don't give me any problems. So XM, guys. XM or IC Markets. IC Markets is another nice broker because it has low spreads. It has low spreads, and they also have no problems with their withdrawals. It's just that they take 3 days. With XM, they just take like 2 days and boom, it's in. So I enjoy XM for now. But guys, when you in my Signal group, you can trade with whatever broker of your choice. I don't tell you trade with this broker. Trade with whatever broker of your choice, as long as you trust that broker, and as long as that broker is a regulated broker. It has all its licensing, right? It has to be legit. So any last questions, guys, before I leave? Because I was about to leave now in 5 minutes, but now I ended up going on to a whole new topic. Gold feels noisy for me. It is a bit noisy. But we will catch this buy over here. There's a buy over here that's going to come up. Reason why? you can see that market came up, and I told you guys that it's gonna break this resistance zone. Once it breaks this resistance zone, it has to come back down and retest that resistance zone before we look now for further continuation up to now our TP2 JR. Because now if you look left, you can see here it was support over here. You can even see it shot up over here. It was support over here, right? So now when it came down and broke now that support area, it came down, broke that support area, gave us that inverted head and shoulder pattern. Because now if you happen to look on your left, you can see there's the shoulder. If you happen to look at the bottom, you can see there's the head, and there's now the shoulder where we were able to capture that buy. You see, we were able to capture that buy, and then it went up and it broke now that support area, that resistance area over here. Broke that resistance area. Now price is busy rejecting. That's why you're saying it's noisy, because now price is trying to come back down. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about, JR. This is H4 time frame. I'm just gonna remove this thing because this could be distracting to the eye. I want you to see this thing. So price over here, you can see, wait, let me, sorry about that. You can see there's that support area. It broke out. So now price is a bit noisy because it wants to come back down and retest broken support, which is now your broken resistance, which is now your new support. So price now is going to come down. It's trying to come down. That's why you're saying it's a bit noisy. It's catching people out over here. People that are buying, it's catching them out. What it wants to do, it wants to come back down till this area. Once it's here, then boom, it's going to start buying. You're going to see another engulfing candlestick, and now we're going to move up to our TP2, which is over here. So on Monday, we're going to catch that trade. On Monday, we're going to catch that trade. Where's the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern? Remember, guys, what I said about this inverted head and shoulder pattern is that market is coming down, right? From here, I'm planning to sell gold. From here, I'm planning to sell gold, guys. So this inverted head and shoulder pattern is for the time being, because I'm basically scalping it all the way up. I told you guys there in the signal group, I'm scalping it all the way up till TP2. And once I hit TP2, I'll be planning out my next trade, because what I see over here now, JR, is a new thing. What I see over here, I see now a head and shoulder pattern over here. Why? We're coming up till here. You can see there's your left shoulder, here's your head here, and there will be a right shoulder forming over here. But what I want to wait for over here, I want to wait for confirmation. Once I get that confirmation, I'm going to sell gold all the way down. I'm going to be selling gold at this point all the way down, because now if we have to look at flip through our higher time frames, we can see that gold is still on that downtrend, right? Gold is still on that downtrend. Gold is still on that downtrend because gold is making lower lows and lower highs. Lower lows and lower highs. Lower low, lower high. And now it wants to make its lower low. Can you see? So that's the long-term view. That's why I'll be looking for a sell there at that area, because now I want to swing it all the way down. I'm planning to swing it all the way down. That's my long-term view. You see? Right now I'm busy scalping gold because I know where it's going. I'm busy scalping gold because I know where it's going. It's going to my TP2, which is over here. You see, you got me, JR. You see, so whenever you're trading, bro, you have to be very flexible. You must see it, and then you must see the long-term view as well. So your mind must be very flexible, guys. You see, now I'm in a buy. I'm scalping buys, but my long-term view on gold is a sell. Do you see that? I'm scalping buys, but my long-term view is a sell, because my mind, I know exactly what's going on. That's the benefits now of breaking down the market from the bigger time frame down to the lower time frame. You get to understand what's going on, you see, so you don't get any surprises. Obviously sometimes with trading you will, because like this was a spike over here, this was a stop hunt over here. These type of things happen sometimes, you see, but you get back on that horse, you get back on track, guys, and you kill the market. That's what I'm planning to do on Monday. So guys, if you're not part of that Signal group, there's that number. You can WhatsApp me on that number. Guys, I'm going to join you guys a bit later. I did say I'm going to join you guys a bit later. I hope you guys understand what I was explaining over here. But I will come back on the live and carry on explaining and everything, guys. So guys, thank you for joining the live. JR, I hope you got me. As you said, you got me. I will be sending out this analysis onto the Signal group so you guys can also be updated. I don't want to only update the people on my TikTok because I'm not always, guys, I always send everything, all the details of the TP, SL, everything. I send it to my Signal group. The people in my Signal group know me. So guys, thank you for joining my live. I'm going to see you guys a bit later.